Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore a useful feature in the Telegram app that lets you view all shared links in a chat on your PC. With the recent update, this process has become super easy and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, just download it from the official Telegram website and log in to your account. Once you're all set up, you can start looking for the links you want. Next, you'll need to find the chat where the links have been shared. This could be a group chat, a channel, or a one-on-one conversation. Simply scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to locate the specific chat. Once you find it, click on it to enter the conversation. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the window for the chat's name. Clicking on it will open the contact info or group details. Here you can find various options related to the chat, including its members and shared media. Now here's the important step. In the contact info menu, look for the links section and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the links that have been shared within that chat. It's a fantastic way to quickly access important websites, articles, or resources without having to scroll through all the messages. As you browse through the list of links, you'll be able to see the titles and descriptions, making it easy to identify what you need. If you find a link that interests you, simply click on it and it will open in your browser. To recap the steps, open Telegram, find the chat you want, click on the chat's name to access contact info, and choose the links option. With just a few clicks, you'll have quick access to all the links shared in your chat. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on everything Telegram. Happy link hunting!